Are you looking for best dining chairs to complete your home dining set on the market and latest models? Check out our top 5 picks for the best dining chairs. These chairs are all stylish and comfortable. Perfect for enjoying a meal with family and friends. So let's get started with the list. List number: Christopher Knight Home Idalia Dining Chairs. These mid-century modern dining chairs are simply elegant, with a beautifully finished wood frame and sleek mid-century design. The soft cushions and slim profile of the chairs give them great for modern homes or any setting that calls for good taste and clean lines. These modern dining chairs are the perfect addition to your home, with cushioned seats, a beautifully finished wood frame, and sleek mid-century design. These dining chairs will be sure to impress. They will look great with any decor style, as well as being a classy place to sit in your home. The Idalia dining chairs are just one of many beautiful pieces of furniture that can be found in the Idalia collection. The simple yet elegant frame, paired with the stylish cushioned seats, give it a touch of elegance that you would expect from this collection. List number: Kith Casa Dining Chair Set. Our dining chair set is easy to assemble, and it's made to last. Constructed of metal frame, dining chairs feature sturdy legs to keep it in place even under heavy use. The soft upholstery is accented by the metal legs, creating an inviting seat for guests, or a great spot for relaxing with family or friends. Create the perfect dining setting with this timeless dining chair. The soft fabric upholstery, generous cushions, and sleek design will add modern elegance to any space. Crafted for comfort, stability, and durability, this mid-century style chair is built to last. Our retro-inspired dining chairs are carefully crafted with solid metal frames and leaded glass legs to ensure they stand the test of time. The simple yet stylish design is built to last and will look great in any room. List number: Virabit Tufted Dining Chairs Set of 6. The Virabit Tufted Dining Chair is a gorgeous addition to any dining room. Its upholstery and button decoration on the backrest make it a stylish addition to your home. The curved backrest filled with elastic lacing, which can effectively alleviate the fatigue of your back. The wide and high backrest provides you with great comfort when you lean on it. The base, supported by the arch spring, makes the sponge cushion more soft and elastic. You can enjoy the highest quality sitting feeling. The Virabit Tufted Dining Chair Set of 6 is a classic contemporary design with a luxurious upholstery. The buttons across the backrest and stitching on the frame create a stunning look that will make your space stand out from typical dining chairs. High-quality gas lift glides allow for easy height adjustments, making this set perfect for both small to large size parties. List number: Firmax Pre-Assembled Modern Style Dining Chair. Firmax Pre-Assembled Modern Style Backless Dining Chair can be used in home and office, living room, dining room, reception, waiting rooms, and banquets. The design of Firmax dining chair is ergonomic and comfortable for users, especially for the tall people. Assembled legs lead to easy assembly of this chair, with only screwing them in seat. This way, it takes only one step to complete full assembly. Add style and comfort to your living room, office, or dining room with the Firmax Pre-Assembled Modern Style Dining Chair. The ergonomic design allows users to sit comfortably while supporting their backs, leading to an easy conversation. Bend-resistant high-quality back supports users' back well in sitting. With assembled legs, only screw them in seat to complete whole installation. List number: Amazon brand Rivet Contemporary Dining Chair. The Rivet Contemporary Dining Chair offers a stylish, versatile seating solution that pairs well with other pieces in your home. This sleek metal base and soft, durable upholstery create a versatile piece for the dining room or anywhere you need extra seating. Its neutral fabric upholstery in a simple, clean, contemporary design with a slightly curved padded back is ideal for modern rooms, sleek and modern. The Rivet Contemporary Dining Chair is a versatile piece of seating that can be used in many different settings. Its neutral fabric upholstery and slightly curved padded back offer exceptional durability and comfort. The soft upholstery on the seating surface is durable, with a sturdy foam padding to cushion your back. The frame consists of solid wood and brass details that add a distinctive touch to this contemporary design.